In this video, we're going to share with you the 3 ways to scale your business the smart way so you can keep growing it without having to spend more time in it.
Plus, we'll be covering the 3 biggest pitfalls that you need to avoid if you want to successfully scale your business.
Let's do the old ways of growing your business meant you had to grow by either having more employees or having huge offices or seeking investment or doing lots of really expensive disruptive advertising, like advertising on Coronation Street. Expensive.
Well, I don't know what that was. I don't know what that was. But in this day and age, with technology being so accessible and with the trust for bigger brands being at an all-time low, it's time for a new era, a new age. The time has come for the small and mighty business. The atomic business. Oh yeah.
So impassioned. I feel like we need some sound effects on that one.
I feel like I'm blushing from over-exerting myself.
The small and mighty or atomic business can just be as profitable as the bigger businesses and the bigger brands. Make as much money as they want whilst keeping all the flexibility and benefits of not running this huge corporation that's just super stressful.
Now there's 3 ways to scale an atomic business. Let's go through them.
The first way to scale is by simply charging more for what you do. Small businesses undercharge themselves and undermine their expertise all the time, where atomic businesses charge for how awesome they actually are. And we actually did a pricing quiz in that video over there by Pete's head to find out if you are actually charging enough for how awesome you are. Go check it out if you're not too sure about that.
It's simple. If you want to do less, charge more.
Now, saying that, it's not always easy just to charge more. Like, people will tell you to charge more all the time, but how do you actually do that? Well, we've got 3 things to kind of get you started with this. So we want you to think about, firstly, number 1, are you offering a service or a product that people will actually pay good money for? Number 2, have you positioned yourself well enough to actually generate that demand? And number 3, are you actually confident enough to raise your prices and sell yourself? Now, if you answered no to any of those, do not worry. Just make sure you are subscribed to this channel at the bottom because we help out with all of that every single week.
The second way to scale your business is to build your virtual team. More business doesn't have to equal more work for you. You can be outsourcing this to your virtual team. Woohoo!
There literally are millionaires who run their atomic businesses on virtual teams. But you don't have to wait until you are a millionaire to start growing your virtual team. Because outsourcing and growing that virtual team will actually get you there faster. But to make this whole virtual teams outsourcing thing work for you, you need to make sure that you are outsourcing the right things from the get-go, not the wrong things. A lot of people outsource the wrong things. And Pete, we did another video on that, didn't we?
Another video.
Check that one out by Pete.
The third way to scale your business is potentially the best way, but it also has the biggest pitfalls that people fall into, which we'll explain in a moment. So the third way to scale your business is basically just to grow your audience and monetize it with scalable digital product.
That's right. Some atomic businesses are making 5, 6, or even 7 figures a month from things like memberships, online courses, digital products, ad revenue, ambassador deals, things like that.
This third way of scaling is definitely the most alluring, right? Imagine getting to that point in your business where you could consistently make 6 or 7 figures each month without having to do all that much work. Sounds pretty awesome, right? And yes, it's definitely possible. However, people are missold this dream all the time. And we want to tell you about the biggest pitfall that people make trying to get to that dream, which is basically to successfully monetize an audience. Wait for it. You need an audience.
What?
What? Yeah, I mean, that's profound, right? If you want to monetize an audience, you need an audience.
But because douchebag internet marketers tell people how easy it is, people will launch when they've got like 1,000 followers on Twitter and expect to sell like 10,000 courses. And it's just unrealistic. Like, we see it all the time. People spend months, if not years, like creating these online scalable products, don't sell any of them, and then just give up.
Instead, oh, you're not ready.
Really tempted to spit that in your face.
Ready?
I would have made it a great video.
Look at the camera. Please don't spit in my face. So instead, you need to scale the smart way and do things in the right order.
Potentially looking at things like raising your prices or outsourcing more to give yourself time to actually build that audience.
This is something that we cover in depth in our Atomic program. We'll put the link to that in the description below for you to check it out. The aim of it is basically to help you double your business in the next 6 months by scaling the smart way.
If you don't want to check that out, then fair dues. We're not going to be that upset. A little bit.
I love it.
Instead, why not keep watching? Another video is coming up right after this one. And please subscribe to our channel because we do videos like this every single Tuesday.
See you next time. He's been Andrew. I've been Pete. Woo!
Bye-bye!